Ready to ditch the project management chaos and finally get your team on the same page? In this video, we'll show you how to use Basecamp for team management, transforming your projects from stressful messes into streamlined successes in just a few simple steps. First, let's create a project. Click the plus button, give your project a descriptive name, and add a brief description to outline its purpose. Now that our project is ready, we can start adding tasks. Within the project, navigate to the To-Do section. Click New To-Do List, title it, and then start adding individual tasks for each task. You can assign it to a team member, set a due date, and even add notes with specific instructions or relevant files. Next, let's dive into team communication. One of Basecamp's strongest features, you can use the campfire for quick, real-time chats or the message board for more in-depth discussions and announcements. Tag team members to ensure they see important updates and keep everyone informed without endless email chains. Progress tracking is crucial for staying on schedule. Use Basecamp's automatic check-ins or progress sections to get regular updates from your team. You can customize the check-in questions to gather the specific information you need, ensuring projects stay on track and potential roadblocks are identified early on. By using Basecamp for project organization, clear task assignments, streamlined communication, and efficient progress tracking, your team can achieve amazing levels of collaboration, accountability, and ultimately, project success. Give Basecamp a try and see the difference it can make for your team. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.